Hello, and welcome to the technical overview video for the SRX900 Series Point-source speakers. Built on the growing legacy of the original SRX900 series models, these versatile additions to the product line carry forward the performance and reliability that defined SRX900. The lineup features three models, a 12 and a 15-inch two-way, as well as a powerful, acoustically three-way dual 12-inch version. All three cabinets are crafted from durable birch plywood, protected by a reliable Duraflex finish with styling that presents a clean and modern professional look. Inside the cabinet, the 12 and 15-inch differential drive woofers leverage a dual voice coil, dual magnetic gap design to deliver higher output, lower power compression, and reduced weight compared to conventional single magnet woofer designs. Each model uses a high-frequency driver with an annular ring diaphragm on a 1.5-inch voice coil and neodymium magnet. Progressive transition horns provide a controlled 90x60 coverage pattern, delivering consistent and predictable sound distribution throughout the audience area. The unique acoustic design of the three-way SRX922 combines its two 12-inch woofers with the mid and high-frequency components into a single high-output enclosure. To maximize output and maintain a compact footprint, the dual low-frequency drivers are mounted in a V-shaped configuration inside the cabinet. This layout improves loading and enhances directivity control. At the rear of the cabinets, the physically redesigned SRX900 amplifier module builds on the proven platform used across other products in the series. This rugged Class D design delivers unrivaled levels of power and networked control. Each enclosure was thoughtfully engineered to support the diverse demands of both portable and installed sound applications. For both two-way models, the physical shape allows the speakers to be placed standing vertically and used on the floor as low-profile stage monitors. The flat side of the smaller SRX912M allows it to also be placed horizontally on the ground and makes it an ideal choice for front fill applications. Pole cups make it easy to place them on speaker stands or poles mounted on top of SRX900 subwoofers. Placed in convenient locations on the outside of the cabinets, the quick-link mounting points interface with a thoughtfully designed suite of mounting accessories. These threaded M10 points are fully sealed from the inside and can be used for direct suspension when combined with the eye-bolt kit. Available for both two-way models, the horizontal U-brackets support horizontal or vertical mounting with lockable pan or tilt along the speaker's long axis. Through holes allow suspension via threaded rod or secure attachment using standard half couplers or quick trigger truss clamps in side-by-side or center point configurations. Threaded M10 inserts provide compatibility with the TV Spigot T accessory, which connected to the RC100 clamp creates a single point locking rotatable clamp. The same M10 inserts can also be used with the VTX PM adapter to place the speaker on a standard speaker pole and gives users tilt control. The vertical U-bracket in turn supports vertical mounting of the two-way speakers and provides lockable tilt control along the shorter axis of the enclosure. The mounting plate of the vertical U-bracket provides similar connection options for clamps and mounts as the horizontal bracket offers. The SRX922 three-way speaker can be suspended from its dedicated array frame. The frame connects directly to the speaker's quick-link points and includes multiple shackle holes for precise vertical aiming. For situations requiring extreme down tilt, the lowest rear quick-link point can also be used as a pullback using an eye bolt. For applications where the speaker is suspended from truss or pipe, the array frame was designed to work with the RC500 rotatable clamp. In all suspension configurations, unused quick-link points can be used to connect an additional safety cable. Two mounting points in the grille of the SRX922 connect to the optional accessory caster board and can be used with the cover to safely transport a single speaker. Alternatively, the vertical transport accessory facilitates the safe transportation of two speakers simultaneously inside a protective footprint. Like all SRX900 products, these point-source speakers integrate with venue synthesis and performance software to streamline system design, deployment, and control. Venue synthesis provides a fast, accurate way to model acoustic coverage, define speaker configurations, and simulate performance in real-world environments. Once designed, the project imports seamlessly into performance, where users can take advantage of the robust onboard DSP and control the entire system in real time. Together, these tools deliver a tightly integrated, intuitive workflow, from design to tuning to system monitoring. These point source models are fully compatible with the existing SRX900 line source and subwoofer products, making it easy to build flexible, integrated systems with consistent voicing and performance. Ideal for fills, delays, or standalone zones, these speakers open new possibilities for how SRX900 systems adapt, scale, and perform.